First off, let's take a deep breath. Step number one is to check to see if somebody really is unresponsive.
So these boxes are usually on the wall near an AED or a fire extinguisher, and they can be put on the wall with screws or just like the 3M Velcro strips. What happens during an emergency is the box is locked so that whoever's maintaining the box can see that there is naloxone still in the box. Once that lock is broken, you simply open it up and all of the materials are inside the box. Inside the box is a CPR mask, gloves, and wipes in order to deal with a patient who's in distress, as well as 2 doses of nasal naloxone. There's no need to do an injection for this person. So what would happen is an emergency would arise in which someone suspected an opioid overdose, and they would open the box, simply open this up, and a video would start with directions of how to respond.
First off, let's take a deep breath. Step number one is to check to see if somebody really is unresponsive. You can do that by gently shaking them and shouting, or you can use your knuckles against the sternum to see if you get a reaction. If you find this person is unresponsive, please call 911 immediately. The next step would be to remove the safety barrier devices for you, the rescuer. If you find that this person is not breathing proficiently, you want to use the rescue breathing mask face shield that is in the ONE kit. Push the bite block down into the mouth of the victim, raise up the chin, pinch the nose, and breathe. Once spontaneous breathing returns, we want to place this patient in what we call the recovery position until the paramedics arrive.